Hello guys! Welcome to our backyard! Today I will be cooking some barbecues. And now let us prepare the grill. Side, dump all that first. Put our one coal on the top. And we have 2 plastics of coal. Kids, warning! Don't burn this without the help of your parents. Ask the help of Dad to burn your coal and the papers. Hey Dad, please wait!
Hi, I'm here.
Hey guys, this is what I'm gonna cook now. We have fish, and the grill's already fine. Dad prepared it for me. Now I'm ready. Let's put them one by one. Hey guys, I can't wait any longer, which means I'm gonna taste one of my wonderful sweet corn. I just saw this tea right here. Look at what I have finished. Voila! Oh, I'm so happy that I made some fresh corned barbecue. For some safety, let us spread the coal with some water. Yeah, that tunnel's a little wild. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! And it's time to eat, and it's time to call my family. Lord, thank you for this wonderful and good food. And Lord, bless us as we eat the barbecues we made, Lord. And Lord, bless us in Jesus' name. Amen.